Hi everyone, my name is Kseny and today I'm going to share with you an easy Qigong practice. You can do this routine on a daily basis to get the blood moving. We're also going to do some breathing, which is great for energy boosting. So I hope this routine will make you feel good physically and mentally and you can win your day. But before we begin, if you enjoy what I do here on YouTube, consider joining my membership site. You get access to weekly live classes. You can access to recorded Zoom classes from before. You also get access to Q&As and other members' benefits. I'll put more information in the description below. Let's begin today's practice. Let's begin in a standing position with your feet firm on the ground. And take a few moments here to settle in. Become aware of your posture. Adjusting if you need to. Keep your spine nice and straight, your lower back relaxed, your hips soft, and your knees slightly bent. Relax your neck and shoulders. And take a couple of moments here to feel your breath. Breathing in and out the nose, just become aware of your breath. Very good. Then make your hands into a loose fist. Begin with a twist and turn exercise. Keep your feet firm on the ground, your knees slightly bent, your hips relaxed, and your spine nice and long. Mentally reaching upwards through the crown of the head. Feel your neck nice and long. Allow your neck and shoulders to relax. Relax your middle back, relax your lower back. Allow your torso to melt into your hips and legs. And bring your attention to your breath. Slowly breathing in and out the nose. Do a couple of sequences, simply observing your breath. Do a few breathing cycles, simply observing your breath. Then take one hand to knock across the abdomen and the lower back. Continue the momentum from your feet up. Then take one hand to knock under the collarbone, knock on the chest. Very good. One more time. Then slow it down. Open your palms and come back to center. Continue by shaking your wrists. Keep it very soft. Trying to relax all the muscles around your wrist, fingers, everything. Shake, shake, shake. Then expand from the elbows down. Any tension or discomfort, just let it drain down. Let it escape. Shake it off. Moving up, lift your shoulders, drop them down. Keep it light, keep it pleasant. Trying to let go any tension from the upper back. Trying to loosen up. Once more, relax. Then gently bouncing into your heels. We're going to shake the entire body. This is fun. I want you to feel like a kid, like a child, being free, being relaxed, just enjoying yourself. Let all the muscles relax. Let your joints to open, be free. Very good. Have a few moments. Shake it loose. Creating space in the body, creating awareness. Begin to slow down until you stop completely. Take a moment to notice how you feel, what changed here, what changed inside you. Very good. Then take a nice deep breath in, come up on your toes. Exhale down the center, as if you're washing over your entire body. We inhale to lift and expand. We exhale to soften, create space in the body. Breathe in, breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Very good. From here, let's do a little bit on the hips. Bring your attention to the hip area. Notice how you're doing there today. Notice how you feel. Very good. Then change the direction. Staying calm, staying relaxed and present. Simply observing the sensations. Our body is constantly giving us clues, giving us feedback. All we need to do is to listen, tune in to listen. And this way Qigong is very, very good. We calm our mind, we connect to the body, we're able to hear it and listen and take action. So just simply tune in, begin to observe. Very good. Last one here. Come back to center. Relax for a moment. Then go into the spinal wave. Starting small. I want you to feel your spine being supple, being fluid. Find a sense of comfort through your entire back. Create movement and space up and down. Begin to let go through your neck and shoulders. Relax between the shoulder blades. Let go through your lower back and your hips. Creating movement, creating flow, creating awareness. Let me show you the side view. Very good. Come back. Relax your entire body. And take a moment to rest and observe how you feel. Welcome any sensations. Very good. From here, bring your feet together. Keeping the good posture. We're going to breathe in through the nose, come up on your toes, lifting and expanding through your entire body. On an exhale, slowly come back down. Let your hands brush near your abdomen. On an inhale, come up. Exhale. Full breath in. Easy long exhale. Keep your mind connected to your body. Let your breath control and guide you. Control your mind and guide your body. Keep breathing deeply into your abdomen if you can. Allowing your chest to expand. Filling up your lungs. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Full breath in. Open, open, open. Feel your chest. Exhale. Expelling all air out from the lungs. Breathe them up. Relax your entire body. Ground yourself through your feet. Find your center so you can feel stable and connected to the ground. Same time, open through the crown of the head, through your spine. Place both hands on your abdomen. Then take one hand through the side, then down the center, as you're bringing your attention inward to focus on your abdomen. Inhale in through the nose. Exhale softly. Inhale. Guiding the energy down into the lower dantian. Allowing the energy to accumulate in the energy center so you have enough energy for the day ahead. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. And keep both hands on your belly. And finish your practice. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel nice, relaxed, yet recharged at the same time. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to support the channel so we can grow this community together. Enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you soon.